Hi beauties! Today I'm going to be showing you a simple LipSense application. This is great for anybody that is just starting out and just trying to learn the basics of how to apply LipSense. But before we get started, let me know in the comments, are you a newbie to LipSense or are you watching the video for entertainment reasons? Either way, I'd just like to know. Stay tuned. Okay. We are going to want to start with clean, dry lips. So I prefer to use a cotton pad just like this. And I put a little bit of witch hazel on it just to give it a little extra cleaning power. And all I do is take the cotton pad, and one side has a little bit of witch hazel and then one side doesn't. You can use a wet washcloth or whatever you want to use, whatever's laying around to clean your lips. Just make sure your lips are nice and clean without any food or makeup or anything on them, because anything like that will hinder the bonding between your lips and the LipSense. You want to make sure they are nice and clean and then nice and dry, especially the inside of the inner line, the inside line of your lips, because your saliva will break down the color. So you want to make sure that that's nice and dry as well. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be using caramel apple today for the LipSense color. This is a really popular color. It is a great neutrally red. It looks great on everybody. So it's a color that I thought would be perfect for this video because there's a good chance that you have this color. And I'm going to show you how to apply. But first I'm going to tell you, you're going to do 3 thin layers. You're going to go bow to corner, and do the bottom. I do the outside and the inside separately just because I want my lips to look nice and full and I want to get full coverage. So make sure you shake your LipSense before you apply it so that the color pigments are evenly distributed. Be sure to wipe off the excess. You just need a little bit. And there you have it. Simple, easy to apply. It goes on really nice and smooth. And then all you do is seal it in with your glossy gloss at the end to seal in the color and to give your lips a really nice boost of hydration. The glossy gloss is basically shea butter and vitamin E in a gloss form, and you know how great those two things are. Super hydration, okay? So now you are kiss-proof, smudge-proof, waterproof, life-proof. Go ahead and kiss your loved ones. Go ahead and eat. You can do whatever you want. When you first start out, I highly recommend that you carry your glossy gloss around with you and gloss throughout the day, especially before eating and anytime you're feeling a little dry. Most lip colors on the market are wax-based, so you probably have some sort of buildup on your lips from the wax-based products. Now, the LipSense is not wax-based, it is alcohol-based, so it's going to actually try to work off any wax buildup or dead skin that is on the lips. So you're going to want to make sure that you gloss as much as possible to give your lips the hydration it needs to cycle through that dead skin phase so that you get the best wear of the LipSense. This process can take 2 days and it could take 2 weeks. It just depends on you and how dry your lips are and how much buildup you have. So how long have you been wearing standard lip color? It could take a little while. It took me about 2 days. I did not have a lot of buildup on my lips. I like to exfoliate my lips anyway, so I didn't have a really big exfoliation process to go through. But sometimes it takes a little longer. You just have to stick with it. Do you need some more colors or maybe some more gloss? There's a link in the description to my website. Go ahead and click there and order anything that you need. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.